Okay. I am getting ready to roll. I have an assignment from my assistant. You thought I didn't see you? Yes, I did. And here we go. Let's pick out some ingredients together that we need. We are making marinara sauce, so let's do this. Let's see. Diced tomatoes, 3 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato paste. And then I'm going to use the cooking wine, but instead of a red wine, I'm going to use a Marsala. And I love the taste of Marsala in the marinara that we're going to use. And I'll show you a trick. Let's see, I need, I've got Parmesan rind. I'll explain that later. Here's an onion, and it's a little bit more parm, and I want to put it in there. Oh, this for our spices: basil, crushed red pepper, oregano leaves. Oh, my favorite, paprika. Onion powder.
Garlic powder.
I'm going to grind them just like this. And they are finished when you start smelling the aroma. I am going to use this one. I don't like having used things hanging around in my fridge. Fresh cracked pepper. Of course I don't have any. So let's get this filled up. Oh no, come on. I caught most of it. How'd you like that? You can have that one for free.
Butter, oil, spices, onions. It's the culinary groundwork, and it's already singing. Hang tight there, honey. This is the kind of secret Nonnie would have whispered while stirring the pot with love.
It is tomato time. I have 3 cans of diced tomatoes. Put 1 in here. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of garlic. 2 heaping teaspoons of garlic. You know, this garlic.
Coming up, one ingredient that'll have your grandma clutching her pearls and your foodie friends begging for more. Really, they will. Before you say, uh-oh, that was a mistake, I say, no, that's no mistake. That was a hack, a tomato paste hack. Let me know if you saw it in the comments.
Here's a trick for you guys. I love fresh Parmesan, but do not throw away the rinds because
it looks weird, I know, but it tastes amazing. Parmesan rinds are the secret handshake of serious sauce makers.
These rinds have been immersed in Parmesan for God knows how long. Seriously, Hashem knows how long. It's Hebrew for the name. Anyway, so I've got 3 here. I'm putting 1 in there. And I'm going to save these other 2. And then, this recipe we're using Marsala wine, which is my favorite for cooking. So I'm going to attempt to open this. I found another Michael Jackson glove. Cue the music. Michael, can you open this jar for me? She's going to do it. I did it. It's done. Michael. All right.
And now, in goes the Marsala wine. Don't skip this step. It's what sets your sauce apart from basic to boss level.
So, 1/3 cup of Marsala wine. Cooking Marsala wine. 1/3 cup in there. Then,
just a splash of it, though, because your whole kitchen is going to change.
If you guys are having a good time, I would love for you to put a like. And if you haven't been with me before and you like what you're seeing, then go ahead and subscribe because that just would make my day. We're almost done with this little guy here. I'm going to call that done. And let's pour this in the sauce. Isn't this thing cute?
Go ahead, click that like button, hit subscribe, and if you're feeling extra saucy, please leave me a comment below. I read all of them. So that's it. My saucy little secret's out. If you made it this far, you're officially in the inner circle. Nonnie's watching, and she approves.